Designing components in assembly. In this task, we insert the cap.prt, create a base feature, and reposition it. Enable only the following datum display types. Plain display. Observe the existing assembly. From the InGraphics toolbar, click Saved Orientations and select 3D2. Click Insert from the Components group. In the Open dialog box, select cap.prt and click Open. Click to position the cap.prt approximately as shown. Use the dragger to reorient cap.prt so the datum plane is approximately parallel to the neck.prt surface. Middle-click to place the cap.prt component. In the model tree, select cap.prt and click Activate from the Live toolbar. Click 2D and select the datum plane to enter 2D mode. Select Center and Point from the Circle Types drop-down menu in the Sketch group. Type 0 for the X value in the Precision panel. Press down arrow, type 0 for the Y value, and press Enter. Move the cursor slightly and press spacebar to toggle to diameter in the Precision panel. Type 120 for the diameter in the Precision panel and press Enter. Click Complete Sketch from the Sketch group. In the ribbon, click Extrude from the Shape group and select the circle sketch. Edit the depth value to 35. In the Options toolbar, click Taper and edit the angle to 7. Middle-click to complete the extrude. In the model tree, right-click Cover.asm and select Activate. Click in the background to deselect all geometry. Click Color from the Selection group and select cap.prt. In the Options toolbar, click Color and select the dark gray color in the top row, second from the left. Middle-click to complete the color change. In the ribbon, click Position from the Components group and select cap.prt. In the Options toolbar, verify the constraint type is coincident. Click Component Reference Collector and select the conical surface on cap.prt. Select the cylindrical surface on the assembly neck. Drag cap.prt towards the neck assembly or away from it as necessary. Select the pair of mating surfaces. Middle-click to complete the component. In this task, we model the cap geometry. In the model tree, right-click cap.prt and select Open. Select Select with Default from the Select Types drop-down menu in the Selection group. Click 2D and select the bottom surface. Click Center and Point, touch the existing circle, cursor to the right of the existing circle center point, and snap to the horizontal alignment guide. Type 65 for the length value in the Precision panel and press Enter. Move the cursor slightly, type 12 for the radius in the Precision panel, and press Enter. Click Complete Sketch. Query select the smaller sketch region in the smaller circle. Drag the extrude depth upward to 35. In the Options toolbar, click Remove Material. Click Taper and edit the value to -7. Middle-click to complete the extrude. Enable Axis Display and click Axis from the Datum group. Select the conical surface and middle-click to complete the axis. Click Pattern from the Engineering group and select the arc surface. In the Options toolbar, click Rotational and select the datum axis. Edit the angle value to 60 and edit the number of pattern members to 6. Middle-click to complete the pattern. Disable Axis Display and Plane Display. In the model tree, clear the Sketches node checkbox. Orient the model approximately as shown. Drag a marquee around the upper surface, from upper left to lower right. Click Rounds from the Engineering group and select Round. Edit the round radius to 4 and middle-click to complete the round. Reorient the model approximately as shown. Select the bottom surface and click Shell from the Engineering group. Edit the shell thickness to 4 and middle-click to complete the shell. Click Close from the Quick Access toolbar to return to the assembly. In this task, we project references to complete the cap.prt. In the model tree, select cap.prt, right-click, and select Activate. Click 2D and select the bottom thin surface of the cap. Click Project from the Sketch group and select the 4 arcs from the inner and outer diameters on neck.prt. Click Complete Sketch. Press Ctrl-A to activate the top-level assembly. In the model tree, clear the neck.prt checkbox. In the model tree, select cap.prt and click Activate. Select the larger circular sketch. Drag the depth upward and edit the depth value to 38. Middle-click to complete the extrude. Select the smaller circular sketch region. Drag the depth downward and edit the depth value to 20. Middle-click to complete the extrude. Click 2D and select the bottom circular surface. Click Center and Point and type 0 for the X value in the Precision panel. Press down arrow, type 0 for the Y value, and press Enter. Move the cursor slightly and press spacebar to toggle to diameter in the Precision panel. Type 60 for the diameter and press Enter. Click Complete Sketch. Select the sketch region. Drag the extrude depth upward and edit the depth value to 50. Middle-click to complete the extrude. Press Ctrl-A to activate the top-level assembly. In the model tree, select the neck.prt checkbox to unhide it. In this task, we use the Move and Rotate tool to modify 2 parts at once. Click Saved Orientations and select 3D3. Drag a marquee around the cap.prt and upper surface of the neck.prt. In the Live toolbar, click Move and Rotate. In the Options toolbar, click Place Dragger and select the top surface of cap.prt. Click Saved Orientations and select Front. Drag the arrow upward to a depth of approximately 40. Middle-click to complete the move. This completes the demonstration.